How to merge cells in Canva table. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily merge cells in Canva table. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now on that note, let us jump right into the video. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up any web browser and open canva.com. Now here I've already created a design and inserted a table. Now in order to merge cells on Canva, it's quite easy and straightforward. What you're going to have to do is select the cells that you want to merge and then right click on it to click merge. So let me show you guys. To select multiple cells, you can hold Control or Shift, any one of those will work, and then click on the cells like so. As you can see, the highlighted cells have been selected. So I've selected the top row to merge. And now all you have to do is right click on it and then click on this merge cell option. Now I have successfully merged my first row. So as you can see, I can type anywhere I want on this cell. Now I can do that for columns as well. So let me just merge this first column. What I'm going to do now is click on this and hold Shift or Control and click on all the other cells as well on this column. And after everything is highlighted, right click on it and then click on merge cells. And like that, I've successfully merged the first column as well. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.